How to remove admin from a WhatsApp group. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to remove admin from your WhatsApp group. So all you have to do here is go over to WhatsApp and then go to the group where you want to remove an admin. So I can go to this group and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then go to group info. Then you can scroll down to find the list of your members. Currently, I am the group admin and I have one other person. So let's say if I want to remove them as the group admin, what I can do is basically tap on their profile. Then you'll get multiple options here like message, audio, video, and then you have the option to view their info, verify security code, and right above remove from group, you have dismiss as admin. You can just tap on it to remove them as a group admin. And as you can see here, their admin role has been dismissed and they're now just a basic member of the group. And you can do this on any group that you are admin of. So I currently have the admin access on this group as well, so I'm able to do it. You can do it if you cannot do it if someone else is admin on the group. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.